So like the basic building block is still gonna be the same, yeast and fermentation, and then how I make it funny in a, as I said, in a specialized audience, that's gonna be the next like the next bit to work around.
Because I was thinking about, like, if we were to put some of the stand up, either to have you do some of the jokes or to put some of the recording into the podcast, but a lot of it relied on visual humour in the slideshow, so that's a bit
Yeah,
hard to do without extra work, I think.
yeah, 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 that's true. Like if you look at it, if you weren't there, you cannot really get what was going on.
Mm.
Um, um, like I guess